Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab, and today we're going to show you our upper coolant pipe kit, 98 to 02 2nd gen Cummins. All right, so we recently purchased a 2nd gen Cummins here at WCFab, and we've been busy at work designing product for the 2nd gen platform. One of the items on our list is our upgraded upper coolant pipe kit. This is not a performance upgrade. This is nothing but a aesthetically pleasing, good-looking component to add under the hood of your 2nd gen and spice up that engine bay. So what we've done is replace the long OEM rubber hose with a nice mandrel bent aluminum coolant pipe that we can powder coat in any custom color you'd like. We supply a 5-ply silicone boot for connection at the thermostat housing, as well as an angled boot for connection at the radiator. To secure those silicone boots, we've got our high-quality stainless steel T-bolt clamps. Like all WCFab product, it's manufactured here in the United States, right in DeKalb, Illinois. Our in-house, state-of-the-art powder coat facility, we do all of our powder coat finishes. This one here is shown in our WCFab red finish, and we have many other colors in stock on the shelf ready to ship. If you're looking to do a custom color, you're doing a custom build on your truck and you got a special color scheme going on under your engine bay, you can opt for any custom color with just a slightly extended lead time. If you have any additional questions on our upper coolant pipe kit, 98 to 02 2nd gen Cummins, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our sales team and we'd be happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching.